Hey, what's up guys? This is Lucivera here, and I want to talk to you guys about the Note 9. I'm so excited, it just got here. I mean, I've been waiting, I've been seeing other YouTube videos, other reviews, but I just want to say that it's just been mind-blowing that I just got out of the box and I'm already playing with it. And before I do the unboxing, I just want to give a shout out to my man PD Reams. He's been doing awesome beats for me. I'll put a link below for his description so you can get his songs and find out how to get his songs so you can put in your YouTube videos and get the hookups. So here we go with the unboxing, and yeah, so this is the phone right here. Yes, so excited, man. I didn't think this thing is freaking huge. 6.4 freaking inches, dang. Here we got the what am I looking at here? Oh, so here we got the charger, of course, no big deal. Alright, what's underneath this? Nothing? Alright. I'm pretty sure all it brings here is just the cable and headset, which is, again, I love headsets. I don't know why. It's just one of those things that I actually am happy for. And there's a cable right there. And, oh, well then let's go straight to the video. Going right here to out of the box, you can see the greens. You can see these beautiful geese. These are our models. I'm just testing out the zoom, trying to get as far as I can without distorting the picture. I mean, it's not too bad. I'm zoomed in quite far in, so as you can see, I'm not really great with video here. No biggie though. But again, very beautiful, dynamic view, really wide, and this is a test of super slow-mo. Golly, I need to lose some weight. Am I walking? Nah, that's just a super slow-mo there. It looks like I'm running to the fridge or trying to get a jelly donut or something. But anyways, rear camera 12 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels. Here's some pictures of display. This is what I took out throughout the day. I mean, low lights, bright days, it's pretty good, it's pretty decent. The colors really pop out. I really love that feature. That's a cool little bike. I thought I'd put that in there, why not, right?
My smartphone. Back in the day, I was using, I think it was the iPhone 4S.
This is my friend E, guys. If you guys haven't heard who he is, I'll put a link down below. Check him out. Awesome stuff, awesome content. I always look at his videos every time I can, every time he posts them. So also, I want to give you a little test on the volume. I mean, it's pretty loud. And what you're hearing is not, amplified or anything. That's exactly how it sounds. It's pretty loud. Juny No Limit. Also check his videos out. Great stuff. Like I said, every time they post, I actually get the chance to watch it. Thank you guys for getting the chance to watch this video. If you have any comments, are you getting a Note 9? If not, let me know. What else would you like to see? This is just like pretty much the first day kind of review, so hopefully I can get more in depth. And guys, this is Lucivera. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.